Get Izzy's bowl first? Oh, we gotta feed Katie first? Okay. Okay. Can you put her bowl down? Mommy will help you. Here. Let me scoop. Okay. Kate, Izzy. Very good. Can I scoop the next one? Okay. Oh. Can you give her medicine? Put it in her bowl. Okay, let's see. Can you get Izzy's bowl? Where's Izzy's bowl?
Oh, yeah?
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. I'll hold it up for you. Here. Can you put it right here? Okay. Okay. Can you give her more? Good.
Okay.
Yeah. Can you give her more? Give her a little more? Whoa, hold on. Is that all enough, you think? A little more? Oh, that's a lot. Okay. That's good. Alright, that's enough. That's enough. All done. Oh, wait. Oh, all done. Okay, all done. Put the scoop up. No, 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 no. All done. Put the scoop in. No, Ben. All done. Okay, we're all done. Okay, we're going to take a little bit out. Okay. All right. Good job. Okay. I'll help.